भारतान पाकिस्तानात केल्ल्या हवाई हल्ल्या उपरांत पाकिस्ताना वांगडा निर्माण जाले युद्धाच्या परिस्थितीत देशभर वेगवेगळे कडेन मॉक ड्रिल जाले. गोंयांत राजधानी पणजे, मडगांव, वास्को, बोगमाळो आनी दाबोळी विमानतळ वाठारांत हे मॉक ड्रिल जाले. प्रत्यक्ष युद्धाच्या वेळार पुलीस, एनडीआरएफ, भलायकी सेवा आनी हेर बचाव पथकांक युद्धा वेळार तग धरून रावपा खातीर प्रशिक्षण दिवप, तशेंच युद्धा वेळार सामान्य लोकांनी कितें करप हाचे प्रशिक्षण आनी सराव म्हूण ह्या मॉक ड्रिलाचें आयोजन केल्लें. जम्मू काश्मीरांतल्या पहलगाम दहशतवादी हल्ल्यांत 26 जाणांक मरण आयिल्लें. ते उपरांत पाकिस्तानाक बुद्ध शिकोवपा खातीर भारतान पाकिस्तानात 9 सुवातांचेर हवाई हल्लो करून तांचे दहशतवादी तळ नष्ट केले.
Today we have simulated an airstrike attack at Margao railway station, which resulted in severe casualties and fire as well. Overall, total the 7-9 agencies had reported when they conducted this rescue operation. Out of the civil defense, around 40 personnel were reported. Electricity, fire and emergency, police, home guards, NCC, TRCL, and 15 members of medicals were deployed. Total, there were 40 casualties, out of which 15 were trapped, and now they have been safely rescued in the nearby rescue center. Out of 40, 2 were severely injured, and now they have been shifted to Southport District Hospital for the medical assistance.
This event which we have conducted today, आज आम्ही हांगासर गॅदर जाला एक डिफरंट काइंड ऑफ मॉक एक्सरसाइज करपाक. नॉर्मली आम्ही सायक्लोन आणि सुनामी रिलेटेड खुबशे मॉक एक्सरसाइज केला, बट दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम वेर वी आर डुईंग अ सिक्युरिटी रिलेटेड मॉक एक्सरसाइज. जर एक एक्सटर्नल अटॅक झाला आमच्या स्टेटीत, बिकॉज गोवा इज अ व्हेरी टुरिझम डेस्टिनेशन, फॉरेन पीपल कम एंड मेनी विजिटर्स आर देयर, सो there could be a possibility of any threat. So we should be all alert and we should be all well prepared to handle such situations. So आम्ही आज किती केला, आमचे डिफरंट लाईन डिपार्टमेंट्स असले, जसे की फायर डिपार्टमेंट, पोलीस डिपार्टमेंट, वी गॉट गुड सपोर्ट फ्रॉम NIWS, मागीर पोलीस, ट्रॅफिक. सो मेनी डिपार्टमेंट्स पार्टिसिपेटेड इन दिस मॉक ड्रिल एक्सरसाइज.
Broken. Send him to hospital immediately. Patient with leg broken. Ambulance. Hospital की तरफ जाइए.
So today, as a part of Operation Abhyas, we had a mock exercise here at Daboली Airport, wherein we have simulated a fire scenario in the administrative building of the airport premises, and we had a task of search, rescue, and evacuating the staff belonging to the airport who are stranded in the building. Today, with the help of various stakeholders like NCC cadets, then our Goa Police, CISF, and our fire services, we successfully conducted this mock exercise.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक TV.